Hey guys,
the house is old.
No.
Wait till we see what it is.
Stuff fell over.
Let's go see what it is.
Turn on.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, those 3 animals fell over. We have to go
And in
now.
the same place.
They fell over in the same place, guys.
I don't know what happened.
I don't think this is a good idea.
It's not slappy, it's more like a negative.
We might have. We have to go around. I found more animals. Look, guys.
How did those get there?
Oh,
Did you get
1,
No.
2, 3.
3 again. Is this like a meaning of something? Because 333 equals demons.
No, it's 666.
That's the devil. 333 equals demons.
Yeah,
So it
but
might
it
be
was
demons.
twice.
Yeah, but where's the...
No, add 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3.
3, 6, 12.
No, what's 3 plus 3?
6.
666. No, but if we look around, there might be a different amount of something that fell down.
There's these two. They see what?
Here, I found something.
No, those don't count. Those are already done.
No, this was right here when we came back in for the house tour.
Oh my god.
That's 1, so it can't be 3, 3, 3 plus equals 6, 6, 6.
Wait.
So we're gonna go
like
explore
standing
the
up, right?
house. So
Wait,
I
what's
think
that?
Bella found something. Let's go look.
Was that Fruit Loop box standing up?
No. Never mind. False alarm.
Wait.
We're gonna go explore this room. If we find anything, we'll be back. I think I know what's going on, guys. Look what my cousin just found. Remember when we came in here for the house tour and it was up here? It's now down here. We are not setting this up.
We are not alone.
I promise you guys. Well, unless you haven't noticed, my sister Emma is in here. Let's go see if we might have to put a lie detector test on her.
She wasn't here. She wasn't in here at all.
No, because remember when she left us?
Yeah. She didn't come in here though.
Well,
And how did this marble get there?
We're gonna do a lie detector test on Emma. So we'll do that in the next video or over on Bella's channel. The link is in the description down below. So thumbs up to give us good luck.
The blinds? Wasn't this like down before?
No. So we're gonna go find
Or
Emma.
was it this that was like up equally?
No. We're gonna go find Emma real quick. So
Oh my god.
we found her. Show yourself. Are you the one that set all this up?
No.
Why?
Hey guys, I got my suspicions up on her. I actually think she's suspicious. I think she's setting all this up. So Bella's downloading a lie detector game. So we can check if she's actually lying. Let's see the game.
Hold on. I gotta erase something.
She has to erase something.
Here it is. Downloading pendant.
It's not actually a prank. We downloaded the real. Oh, if you guys heard about Project Oreo or Game Master,
Or Zozo the demon.
not actually.
What you saying, boy, about me?
No. Then comment down in the comments down below, because I want to know. I already know who Pumpkin Patch is. It's Rebecca and Matt's friend Rocky. Because they took their dog.
They're so
So
Oh, it's
they
open.
took his dog. So
Emma,
that's
get
why
in here.
He's pumpkin
Lie
patch.
detector.
So let's see if she's lying.
Get off. Cancelled.
Hey guys, I'm gonna do something.
Okay, let me say it. Hold on.
I did not set this up. Guys.
Okay.
Excuse me. I did not set it up.
Comment,
Everyone
comment
shut up.
down below if you think she's lying.
Did you set the stuffed animals up?
No.
Say later.
She lied. She set it up.
I didn't.
She set it up.
You sure about that?
Yes.
Show your proof. Where?
Show your proof.
I was on my tablet when that was happening.
Proof.
I was on my tablet.
That's true.
Did you see?
But could she have a thread tied around it?
No.
And then when
Okay,
we went in
Let's do
there,
this again.
she untied it. Here, let's see if it's true. We're gonna redo it.
Did you have a string tied around the stuffed animals?
No.
Okay, she's not lying. Ask about it again. If she set it up, all of this up.
Did you set all of it up?
No. Why would I?
Okay. She's telling the truth. Wait. Why is she running away?
Wait. Did you just get a call?
No. It was an app. Let's see if I did it.
Here, come back.
I didn't do it.
Do you know the game master?
What?
What did it say?
I lied, and I didn't.
Lied about what?
If I set it up, I swear I didn't.
I know, because you were with me at the time.
The hell?
So,
Once again, did I set it up?
I guess it was... Wait, we need a professional lie detector.
I'm telling the truth.
Okay.
It's on. It's not on your face. Here, let me hold it. Okay,
So
there
we
we go.
need a professional
It's-
lie detector here. And we'll
There
see
we
if
go.
Emma's actually lying. I'll see you in the next vlog. Subscribe, like if you like the video, and turn on post-it notifications, and you'll get
Yes, do it.
notifications about when I post a new video. So, see ya.
See ya.
Did you hit